Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you have a Gmail account and if you haven't logged in or used it in the last 2 years, well, if you want to keep it, it's time to log in. Google is going to start deleting inactive accounts starting December the 1st, so just a few days from now. Now, Google had announced about 6 months ago that it would actually start deleting all the accounts that haven't been used in the last 2 years or more. So, how do you keep your account if you want to have it? Well, it's very simple. All you got to do is log into it. So, if you have an old Gmail account and maybe you're thinking, well, no, I don't need it. It doesn't matter. Well, why not keep it active? It just takes a few seconds to log in, and you never know if you need it. And it might be useful at some point. If you don't log into the Gmail itself, you can log into YouTube, and that also will keep the account active. So basically, what the new rule is that you've got to log into your Gmail at least once every 24 months or at least once every 2 years. Just logging in gives you another 2 years. So that is not that bad of a deal, basically. They don't ask for a lot. So it's time to check it out. I have a few old Gmails that I've been using quite a long time, maybe that I'll have to go through and check out. Do I want to keep some of them active? Apparently, what they say is that the YouTube videos will stay online, so there must be a lot of Gmail accounts that haven't been active for a long, long time, but that are attached to YouTube videos, which would be kind of sad to lose. So once again, if you don't want to lose your Gmail, if you haven't used it in 2 years, well, maybe log in, because starting December the 1st, it might disappear, as Google is now going to delete them. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.